Hi everyone, so this is my newest journal and I want to show you. I actually made two journals and this is the second one. The first one, it's all the way going to Italy and it's very similar to this one. I didn't get a chance to film the first one, didn't have time, so I'm filming this and it's very similar. So this is a special project that I did for Nicola from the paper cameo, and I used her digits for the journals. So this is the cover, and I made the cover and I added vintage fabric that I had. I think there were pillows and curtains, I think so. And there's a lot of gold, and those pieces that I had, vintage fabric, I also added here. And I added this jewelry, but you can remove it. And the kits that I use it for the journals, I use it for kids. I used the Donatella kit, I used the Damask Gold kit, I used the Autumn Gold, and I used also the Antique kit. And all of them, they go very well together. You can mix the four of them. They match very well. So there's images from the four kits in this journal. So here I made the back cover using a page from one of the kits. I think it's the Donatella, I'm not sure. And this image, this page, there was a boy image. I will show you later. So there was a boy here and I just removed the boy and I made a window. I added this piece, this I guess it's a little label from the kit, and I made it like a window pocket. And I made this beautiful tag with this lovely image from the Donatella kit. I think it's so pretty, and I added some gold. And this is Italian paper that I had. I think it matched beautifully. And this is the window that I made. There's a lot of gold in those kits and I added some more, so it's very pretty. And here on this beautiful page, I made a tuck spot from recycled bag, and I added this butterfly. And this page is from a vintage map book that I have. The book has antique maps, and I thought that matches very well with the kit, so I use it. And this is the other side of the map. I made a little tuck spot here with a trim from the kit. And this is the little boy that was here, the image, and I just cut him, I removed, and I added him here on this page that I made with my tea-dyed paper. I added this embossed frame, which I colored it with pen, with a gold pen, and I added the little boy, and I thought it was lovely. Gold tab. Here it's a tuck spot, so pretty, from one of the kits. A large envelope. I tea-dyed inside. This is a pocket. A tag that I made. Made a collage with the images, added some gold. There's a lot of gold washi tape that I used here. Some vintage lace. Here it's an antique book page that I added this pressed plant and this wax seal with a rose. And this is an envelope from the kit, which I cut it and I use it as a page. And here in the back it's bead dyed paper and you can write. And another beautiful page. Here it's a tuck spot, a beautiful tag. I added some embossed paper and another page. And this image is from an art book that I have and I added here. I thought it matched beautifully with the Donatella kits. That's why I use it. Vintage music paper. Here's another large envelope from the kit. This page I made as a pocket here. Beautiful. This is another page from the Donatella kit and she's so pretty. Oh, I love this page. I think it's beautiful. And here I made a lace pocket, and I'm not sure what plant I use it for this dyed paper, but it's yellow and it matches beautifully. And this is a tag. The tag came already with this nice background. I just added some more collage and the texture paper that I did here. Oh, this is lovely. So Nicola has a lot of envelopes, and when I printed this one, I made it smaller, so it will be nice to have some smaller envelopes in the journal. And I added this butterfly from, I think it's from the Donatella, not sure. And I made a closure with she has a lot of wax seals, the images from wax seals with the kids, and I just cut them and I added some bling, some gold sparkling jewelry, I guess, pieces of jewelry, and I added to use it as closures and for decoration to the tags, and I thought it was lovely. So this is one of them. Here it's a tuck spot, and this is the Italian paper that I have. I thought it matches. Another beautiful page from one of the kids. And this is a large tag. It's so pretty, the image, and I just added the seal image. I cut it again and added this bling. And here this image is from the kit, and I just, one of the kits, and I just cut around. I glue it on this embossed frame that I have, and I added this wax seal with a rose. Thought it matches, looks so beautiful. And this is one of the pages with a tuck spot that I made into a flap, so you can write here. And this is a butterfly, and you can just, you know, write if you want. And here is the center of the journal. I love this page. It's so beautiful. So here it's a little tuck spot, and I made this tag. I added some lace here, And this is a lovely tuck spot, which I added this tag. I just added some gold and a bow. Another beautiful tuck spot with one of the large tags, and I added a butterfly here and some more images, piece of an image here, and this other side of the beautiful image. And this is another envelope that I cut it and I made it into another tuck spot. Here it's a little Italian card that I thought it matched the colors, so I added here. This is another tuck spot, and I have some gold embossed paper. Here is a tuck spot, and this I made a flip. You can write here something. It's so beautiful. Here it's embossed paper that I colored with gold. And here is just embossed paper that I added. I thought it matches. There's a lot of gold washi tape. This is another of the small envelopes I made. And I used the closure. I thought it was so beautiful. And this is one of the little tags. And it's so beautiful as it is. I just added gold, some gold piece and a little bow here. And here on this page, I just glued and I made a pocket out of this key image from one of the kids. And I added this gold frame that I have it, and I made it as a pocket. And I have this embossed paper that I made using recycled paper. So I made into a little card that goes in this pocket, all very gold. And this is the other small envelope, and I just added here so you can see the difference of the size. So this is how the envelope is. If you don't change the size, it's bigger, and when I change it and made it smaller, it's like this. It looks like this. So this I use it as a page, and with the flap as a tuck spot, and I placed the smaller envelope here with the little seal as a closure. But it looks lovely. This beautiful tab here. And this is one of the butterflies that I cut it and made it into a tuck spot. And this is a vintage book page. Here it's a corner tuck spot. Here it's a pocket. I made a little collage, and I added this large tag. And this is the back of the dyed paper that I painted. I added this piece from one of the kids. This is the other side of the map. And this is a beautiful page that I use it at the end, and with this beautiful tuck spot. And you can put something here if you want. And this is the back and the back cover. Very beautiful and rich and gold and the colors are so beautiful. I love it. So I'm very happy with this journal. So this is the flip through. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.